Hello, I'm Bill Hopkins. My amateur radio call sign is Alpha Alpha 2 Yankee Victor AA2YV. This is a QCX low power or QRP radio, and it is made by QRP Labs.com, QRP-Labs.com. Let's have a look in the middle. On the back side, you see there the main chip. And that chip does just about everything except slice bread. I have put a heat sink on here of my own making because I want to use whisper, weak signal propagation testing, and it has to run for 1 minute and 52 seconds full duty cycle. So I keep my transistors cool there. We wind our own coils. They're really not hard at all to wind. There are no surface mount pieces that you would have to put in. Everything can be done quite easily. The enclosure is of my own making. It comes from a CB mobile rig from years and years ago, something I got out of my junk box. I made the front part and cut it out. I put the LCD readout inside. The LCD readout was formerly for the back part of the radio where everything was modular and went together. I separated it, and you can see the wiring I have here. So let's turn it on. You can use earphones or a little external speaker. Today there is a contest going on called the European contest. So let's go through here. And you can see, if you're slow on code, you can simply read what's being sent right down here. Everything is printed out here. You can turn that on or off. DJ0MY. That's a European station, a German station. I happen to know that he comes from the area just south of Frankfurt. He's been on all day. So, let me tune up here where nobody is. And I will send a test signal so you can hear it, the side tone. Whoa, that's pretty loud, so I will turn it down. Now, you can use a straight key or this paddle, and you can go at the speed that you want. You can set your speed right here by one of these on the menu. Usually on the menu, you go into a menu with the left-hand button. You come out of a menu with the right-hand button. So there basically you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let us know what you think.